Here is a wonderful 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLC. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This exceptional GLC 300 offers enthusiastic performance, chiseled style, and top-shelf luxury, while also leveraging the latest tech and innovations in SUV versatility. Appreciate it for its spacious cargo area, flexible interior, and ingenious storage solutions. Love it for how it makes you feel on each and every journey. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: power liftgate, electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Luxuriously refined, seriously capable. That's the GLC 300 SUV. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.